Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Many of these will probably surprise you, but they do work. Definitely.
This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Learning new words can be enjoyable and good for your health. If you come across a word you don't know, look it up. This is a great way to learn the definition of a new word and how to use it correctly in a sentence. Games like Scrabble, Boggle, and crosswords are not only fun, they're also great ways to learn new words. Next time you're looking for a way to boost your health, why not try expanding your vocabulary? While it's true that olive oil is packed with health benefits, cooking everything in it can in fact have negative consequences for your health. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help lower cholesterol and enhance heart health. However, when it's heated to high temperatures, it can release harmful compounds that can raise your risk of cancer and other diseases. Blackberries are a low-calorie fruit, so they're a great choice if you're watching your weight. They're also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. Blackberries are also a good source of antioxidants. These nutrients help to protect your cells from damage and can also help to reduce the risk of some chronic diseases. Blackberries are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet, so why not enjoy them in all their tartness and sweetness today? Joining a craft club can be beneficial for your health. Clubs provide good opportunities to meet new people and make friends, both of which are important for good health. Additionally, clubs often provide members with access to resources and knowledge about crafting that they might not have otherwise. This can be particularly beneficial for those who are interested in taking up a new hobby or improving their skills. Finally, being a member of a club can help to motivate you to stay active and engaged in your craft, which can also have positive benefits for your health.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.